The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE is already available at a discount, just 2 months after its debut, so you may want to check it out. The device is powered by the Samsung Exynos 1580 processor and equipped with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which can be expanded by up to 1TB via microSD. It features a 10.9-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2304 by 1440 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate. Photography and video calls are handled by a 13MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front-facing camera. The device further includes dual AKG tuned speakers for immersive audio. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE offers Sub-6 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6 with Wi-Fi Direct support, and Bluetooth 5.3 for low-latency wireless connections. Moreover, it incorporates S Pen functionality with handwriting assist, a circle-to-search feature for instant Google lookups, and Math Solver for converting handwritten equations into editable text and step-by-step solutions. The tablet comes preloaded with a suite of creative and productivity apps, including LumaFusion, GoodNotes, Clip Studio Paint, NoteShelf, Sketchbook and PixArt. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE is water-resistant, safeguarding against spills, splashes, and brief immersion, and includes a dedicated AI hotkey on its keyboard for quick access to on-device artificial intelligence tools. Finally, the tablet houses an 8000 mAh lithium-ion battery, 29.95 watt-hours, that is said to deliver up to 20 hours of continuous use and supports super-fast charging. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, $519.99, Amazon US 9% off. This Amazon deal is US specific and not available in other regions unless specified. You'll find the product link below the video in the description. Don't miss this opportunity and get the device at a great discount.